Namaskar, it's a beautiful day to be alive. I love rains. In this video, I'm sharing a peaceful rainy day in my life and some recipes which I love to make on a rainy day. I tend to catch a cold often in the season, and with the current pandemic situation, we are all concerned about boosting our immunity. So I'll make an herbal tea. There is something very satisfying about growing our own food. I cut some lemongrass and pluck some basil leaves and seeds from my balcony. I have all the herbs which I'm going to use for my tea. First, I break a couple of bay leaves into smaller pieces. I add the basil seeds and leaves, cut the lemongrass into smaller pieces, grate a peeled and washed ginger into it, and add some loose leaf Darjeeling tea. I pour some water and place the saucepan into my gas stove. While my tea is brewing, I am going to make some garlic bread as a tea time snack. First, I crush some garlic pods and then add homemade butter to it. I microwave it for a minute so that the garlic flavors are infused into the butter. Now I am going to use my homemade bread. I have already shared my whole wheat no yeast bread recipe. Click the I button to watch that video. I slice my bread using a bread knife and then apply the garlic butter on both sides very generously. I heat the bread slices on a non-stick skillet and cover it. Once it starts getting brown, I flip them over to the other side. I put mozzarella cheese on the bread slices, sprinkle some oregano and pink Himalayan salt. I cover it until it's cooked and the cheese is melted. My tea has been boiling. I pluck a lemon from my lemon plant. I strain the tea and add juice of half a lemon to each cup. These two recipes are so much healthier than most rainy day recipes and both taste delicious. You can use store-bought ingredients too, and if you try out these, do share your pics with me on my social media. If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and subscribe. It will help me grow and also motivate me to share more similar videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.